Today, I'll walk you through how to insert a PDF in OneNote, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to add a PDF file to your OneNote page so you can keep all your notes and documents organized in one place. Let's get started. First, open the OneNote desktop application on your computer. If you don't have it open yet, go ahead and launch it now. This is where all the magic will happen. Next, navigate to the page where you want to insert your PDF file. Think of this page as a blank canvas where you can add your content. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core functionality remains the same. Now, look for the Insert tab in the top menu and click on it. This is where you'll find various options to add different types of content to your notes, just like adding ingredients to a recipe. Once you're in the Insert menu, click on File Attachment. This will prompt a pop-up window to appear, allowing you to browse your file folders. Here, you can choose the PDF file that you want to attach to your page. Take your time to locate the file. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. After selecting your PDF, click on the Insert button. This action will bring up a small box with two options. You can either attach the PDF file directly or insert a printout of it onto your page. Choose between these two options based on your preference. If you want to keep the PDF as a separate file, go for the attachment. But if you prefer to see the content directly on your page, select the printout option. This choice is similar to deciding whether to keep a book on a shelf or to open it up and read it right away. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted a PDF into OneNote. This simple process allows you to keep all your important documents and notes in one easily accessible location. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.